Ano ba to? Di ko naman maintindihan. Cynthia, alam ba yung phosphorus? Tapos yung Phosphorus Cycle? Turuan mo naman ako. Please. Ha?
Oh. Tingin-tingin mo dyan. Gusto mo? Lo, asa ka. Umalis ka nga. Kairita. Papasok ba si ma'am?
Uy, Cynthia, ang taray-taray mo. Oo, wala si ma'am. Pero, kailangan pa rin natin pag-aralan ang Phosphorus at Phosphorus Cycle. Sa tulong niya ng Siyensya Kaalaman 101.
Hello guys, it's me Romel and welcome back to our channel with Siyensya Kaalaman 101. In today's episode, we are going to talk about phosphorus and its importance in our daily life and the environment, as well as the phosphorus cycle and its processes. Mahalaga nga ba ang phosphorus at bakit? Stay tuned, but before all of that, please like and share our video. Tara na, halina at pag-aralan kasama ang Siyensya Kaalaman 101. Let's go! Meron tayong tanong galing kay Manolo.
Nga ba ang kahalagahan talaga ng phosphorus at mahalaga ba talaga ito sa atin? Ngayon si Kaagham Kizeya para malinawan tayo sa topic na ito. Pasok!
So, hi guys, you're with me, Kizeya Sanata. At ngayon, i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang importance ng phosphorus. So, phosphorus is an essential element for all living organisms. It is important for the production of ATP and nucleotides. We normally find phosphorus in this form, which is called phosphate form. Both DNA and RNA have phosphate backbones. Same goes with the ATP. It also contains phosphate. So that's it. That's the phosphorus.
Mahalaga pala talaga ang phosphorus sa ating mga tao at sa kapaligiran, mapabato man o sa halaman. Siyensya Kaalaman 101, may tanong rin ako. How does the phosphorus cycle work? At ano-ano nga ba yung mga process nito?
Sa aming phosphorus cycle, may 4 na proseso ito. Unang weathering, pangalawang absorption, pangatlo ang decomposition, at panghuli ang sedimentation. Tara, alamin natin.
Hi, my name is Danila Sikanaya and here to explain the first stage of phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus can usually be found in rocks, soil, and sediments because one of the minerals of rocks is phosphorus. In the first stage of phosphorus cycle, which is called weathering, along with rain, breaks down the phosphate ion into the rocks and droplets to soil and water. And this is how the first stage of phosphorus cycle occurs. And onto the second stage, which is called absorption, will be explained by Hazel Espina.
So as for the second stage of the cycle, it is called absorption by plants and animals. And as you can see here, the plants accumulate phosphate ions from the soil and water through the roots. And as for the animals, they can absorb the phosphorus by means of drinking from bodies of water or from plants that contains phosphorus. After this part of the cycle, the succeeding stage is decomposition.
So, the next step is return to the environment by decomposition. Animals excrete waste and decomposers that are able to use phosphorus in the waste material. Furthermore, when plants and animals die, the bacteria convert the organic phosphorus into inorganic phosphorus in a process called mineralization, which is recycled to the soil and water. And that's all in the decomposition process.
Hi guys! Welcome sa last process ng phosphorus cycle. Ano nga ba ang sediment? Sediment is a solid material that is moved and placed down in a new spot. Sediment consists of rocks, minerals, as well as plants and animals. The process of sediment starts with some of the phosphorus gets buried in sediment. From time to time, it becomes rocks, meaning the process continues. The phosphorus in the soil gets washed up in the ocean, where the same process takes place. Plant and animals absorbs the phosphorus, then die and decompose. After the decomposition, the phosphorus ends up as sediment in the rocks. That's all.
At para mas maunawaan natin, Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang Phosphorus Cycle? Ayon ulit si Kaagham Kizeya para explain ito.
Phosphate is essential to life because life involves ATP and nucleotides. And as for the plants, we now know that phosphorus plays a big role in their growth. And plants produces oxygen. So if the phosphorus is absent, plants might die and the production of the oxygen might be affected or might as well be stopped. And with the oxygen eliminated from the earth, living organisms won't be able to survive, ending the life of everything in the ecosystem, including us. So, to sum it all up, phosphorus plays a very big role in forming biomolecules for life, and this cycle, the phosphorus cycle, is known to be an important cycle of the ecosystem. So that's it. That's the phosphorus cycle. Thank you.
And now we know the concepts of phosphorus and the phosphorus cycle. To sum it all up, let's put it in a song. Let's go!
15 periodic table elements doing alright. Yet I am essential for all the life. Now you really know how important am I. So much to learn and see. I can be found in the living in humanity. DNA, rocks, and even ATP plus RNA. I know the importance of me. I have my cycle, you see. Along with rain breaks down the phosphorus and rocks. I'm being absorbed by soil and living things like plants. Composition and decaying time. Mineralization gets held by time. Then the cycle repeats, so why phosphorus am I?